Shubor nakaslem jong unong Saiñ Hima.
Presiden rangba ke United Democratic Party uba Metbah lingdo habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ula ong hakabaya dei bat ka Jingdawa jong ka Seng VPP ban bishar benya bat ban penkela biang nya ka bha thungkam thungjam nakaliang jong ula ong ba umdon ai ban ong Halor ka Jingdawa jong kinogino ki Seng Saiñ Pyrthei henrei kum ka Seng hi ka UDP kan yang bet halakan nongrim shushu ula ong ru ba kumbala tip baka UDP kadai kabaya trailang hapok ke sorkar senrop MDA tu nakaliang ka Seng kan syong ye ka jingelang bat ke sorkar banyak keren Halor ki babun ki man.
Coming to the demand of VPP for immediate resolution of roster and reservation policy, what is the mind of the government?
I don't have any comment as far as the demand or anything as far as other podcast. Let me make it very clear. Our party will start its own way of what we think is right.
So what is the, all party meeting, when is it held?
Sir, as you are aware that we are part of the government, okay? The matter that need to be discussed across the table. We're waiting for that.
It seems the 19th is a meeting of...
Something like that. CM told me today. I met him in one of the functions. He said that we have to meet and discuss.
This will be a MDA meeting or all party meeting?
I think it appears that some sort of all party meetings will be there. But even if there's no all party meetings also from our party, we would like to sit with the government and listen to get some light on it.
So you are already 12 now. Will you be pushing for more cabinet votes?
See, as far as the numbers are concerned for cabinet, but I would like to make it clear here that as per the discussion that we had with the Chief Minister, we had agreed with whatever we have settled. So that is what we stand. Yeah.